Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hope you are staying cool if it's hot where you are, or warm if it's cold where you are, and that all is snug and well in your home. Speaking of home, today I am talking with folks a bit about coverage A on a homeowner's insurance policy. Sometimes it's also referred to as dwelling coverage. And as the title implies, it is the part of a homeowner's policy that covers the house, so the specific dwelling. And the main takeaway from today is to make sure with your advisor that the amount of insurance coverage on that is appropriate for your home. Every insurance professional has access to a tool that will help them calculate out what it should cost their company or any other company to rebuild that dwelling if it is a total loss. In Michigan, usually that's because of a fire or a tornado. And the tool, as long as good data is put into it, will tell them what kind of coverage is appropriate. And at least the tool that I use and my company uses is keyed to our specific area. So construction costs with our specific area are factored in. It's updated periodically. And I will say that um, I tend to ask more questions than I think the average bear. I think I've seen situations where people will have a homeowner's insurance policy and dwelling A is magically dollar for dollar what the Zillow's estimate is on their home. And this is not really about the market value of a house. This is about the cost to rebuild that structure if it is a total loss. So the big takeaway again is get with your insurance advisor or an insurance advisor. If you don't have one, I do this for people for free, whether they're my clients or not, and just go through the tool, get into the details, and just I mean your home is next to your paycheck is your biggest asset in most cases. So it's worth taking a few minutes to just quadruple check that that coverage is appropriate. The other thing I'll mention is that every company I know, um, and I and this is not a nefarious thing, I think it's appropriate, but their tools and their systems will automatically add coverage year after year after year to try to keep up with inflation. And I think that's fine, but every 3 or 4 years, I like to go back and redo the tool just to make sure that that coverage amount hasn't gotten too high, or it should not ever be too low, but it can get too high if you add 3% this year and 4% next year and 3% the following year and you spend 10, 15 years with the same insurance company. I've seen homes that are really overinsured, and that's not really helping people either. So get with your advisor or give me a call and go through a replacement cost tool on your home, and that's what you want to focus on for coverage A or dwelling coverage in your homeowner's insurance policy. Thank you for tuning in. Please stay